Hello everybody out there in RC land. This is the old man doing stuff down here in Prattville, Montgomery, Alabama. If you like RC cars, got one that came in today, and this is one I bought. Got a pretty good deal from a fella off Facebook. And I don't know if you can tell, but the old box is taped up and crinkled, and she's been around. It's the 14301, which is also known as the drift truck. So I still have the box, but I do not have an owner's manual. And this is what it came with. As you can see, my drift tires here are definitely worn a bit. Of course, she is used, we know that. And these have, I don't think, have hardly any wear on them at all. That's set. And of course, these are worn down a bit. You can tell, let me go ahead and cut a light on here. That'll help a lot. I don't know if you can tell that tread's worn down there. And, you know, the transmitter works. I've already booted it up. It came with 2 batteries. This one's graveyard dead. So, you know, that's to be expected when you buy things like this. So that one's dead, and I'll figure out something to do with the wiring and the case. The actual battery's inside the case. I found that out watching the YouTube. And so this one, I've already booted it up. I'm going to go ahead and press the red button that makes it come alive, and I believe the fans will come on. There we go. It's all booted up. It has 2 fans, one over the ESC, one over the motor, which is a great improvement. And everything's in pretty good shape. You can tell it's been run, of course, and they've adjusted the shocks. It's pretty clean, relatively. That's my tire changer tool I just laid in there. And of course, the big draw on this one is what you see right here. Stand by just a second. Let me kill the lights. There we go. Got the popo in the house. I really like that when I started looking at these. And one thing, when you go left and right with the wheels, the lights change. Watch the headlights. I'll go right. See that light blink? Left, that blinks. And then back here on the back, on your tail light system, does the same thing. I'm going to go right. See that light go out over there? That light goes out. How cool is that? Turn signals. And it has several settings. You tap this button right here. So what I'm going to do is, that makes all the lights on top start flashing. So even gives it more effect. So that's pretty cool. Pretty common on the YouTubes. We've seen that. I like that. And then it cuts them completely off. And she pulls. But I was going to show y'all something real quick. I'm going to go ahead and unplug it. Stand by. Yeah, I did it with one hand. Cool. When you move it, listen to this. All right, stand by. Here we go. Hear that creaking sound? It's definitely up front. So, you know, I don't know a lot about them yet, but I'm mechanically inclined. I've been working on cars. I'm 66 since I was 17. I know there is a differential in here that could be just slap worn out, no grease on it, or just slap worn out. Everything seems pretty good and tight. I hadn't been over it yet, but I'm going to take it down, and I got some silicone differential grease I'll be, you know, of course, putting in it. And the shocks are in pretty good, I think. When you press her down, she comes up, comes on. Now this one's a little more bouncy. It goes down a lot easier. It's not too bad. And this one, that's really solid there. So I'll go through it and work, you know, check each shock, clean out the old fluid, that sort of thing. May not ever had anything done to it. It's a second-hand one, is way less than what they half price. And another thing I like on them right here is the gyro. Gyros are cool. So everything seems to be working. It will pull. I just don't want to do much of it with it making that creaky sound. So anyway, y'all take care. Just wanted to share, and I'll be updating as I do things on it. It's a lot of fun. But I'm limiting what I'm getting. I'm on a budget, and I've got RC planes, like helicopters, I've got dogs, I've got all kinds of things. So I have a YouTube channel, and old man doing stuff 8997 on the tube. And I'll post these as well when I upload them. Y'all take care. Old man doing stuff, Prattville, Montgomery, Alabama.